So, hello guys, ito ako I'm checking at this time guys. So, yun. I think I'm feeling na guys. So, finalized na talaga to. Charis. So, meron tayong mga cover ng ating sunglasses, I think. So, of course naman, yung mga natin guys, mga gamit natin. And then, of course, may dala tayong mga liners or napkin. Of course naman, kasi if ever, no? Kasi hindi natin alam, guys. Kasi kasi din, parang expected date ko din, guys. Ayan, so, yun. So, meron tayong extra dito na At saka, dito pa yung mga, natin, guys, pang hygienes ng pambabae, of course. Nandyan pa, naitabi ko pa. Ayan. So, I think finalized na tayo, guys. I hope na kasya na talaga siya dito. Ayan. So, I hope ma-close ko na din talaga to siya, guys. So, guys. Of course, meron tayong dito mga lahat na, guys. I hope na it feels na, guys, complete. Charis. So, yun lang guys ang update natin. Ayun, so of course, ang ating bag. Cheers! See you ang update natin guys. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching and God bless us. See you next again guys. Bye! So, of course, ang nails natin guys. Bishi! Yan guys. Tapos na yung arrangement natin. So, I think it's finalized na guys. Charis. Ayan. So, nakapag-ayos na tayo. Tsaka yun. So, I think magkasya lang siguro to. Of course, meron tayong mga And then, ang ating bag is ready na tayo, guys. And then, ang ating mga cosmetics is dito din. Or mga something, sabon or something. So, of course naman, we have a toothbrush. Hindi natin makalimutan ang ating mga pampa-beauty. So, hindi pa talaga as in, guys, yung tapos na talaga. So, I think, thank you naman. I hope na magkasya lang. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day to all of us, guys. See you next again. Bye. God bless. Finalize na, guys. Guys, yan, check natin yung mga natin. So, we have a toothbrush. Of course, meron tayong mga guys.